friends, Kishan is here again, and in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about the Java 8 Lambda method reference. Method reference, it is a feature which is related to the Lambda expressions. It allows us to reference constructors or methods without executing them. Method references and lambdas are similar in that they both require a target type that consists of a compatible functional interface. So method reference is basically related to the lambda expression and functional interface. Again, your lambda expression is related to the functional interface. So let's try to understand. So if I can show you the next slide, here you can see there are 4 types of method reference. So first type is saying that reference to a static method. An example is like containing class, and you need to specify the double colon, and after that you need to specify the static method. And syntax is something like the class, double colon, or static method. So these things we can understand through an example. So let's go ahead and create a Java project in Eclipse. Here I am going to create a Java project, method reference with static method. Click on the next and finally click on the finish button. So here is the project, and here I am going to create a class in package com.infotech.client, and client class name I am going to specify client test, which will have a main method. Now here I am going to use executor service, then executor service equal to executors, which is in java.util.concurrent package, and here we have a provision to create thread pool. So I'm going to create a single thread executor. Now executors have a method is called execute, right, which demands you to supply object of runnable type. So here in previous video tutorial I have shown you how to create a thread using runnable, right, and there we made use of the lambda expression. So same concept I am going to use over here. So runnable, you can say command equal to runnable is a functional interface, so you can define the behavior as a lambda expressions over here. So system.out, and here you can say my task is running. So this lambda expression contains only one statement, so that's why I did not specify open and curly bracket. If you have a more than one statement, then you need to specify open and close parenthesis. Now this command I have specified here, and finally if I run it, then we get the output, right? So here lambda expression nothing but here we have defined a behavior or method, and that we have assigned to this reference, which is type of runnable, right? So this behavior we can extract out from here and we can put into the separate method as a static method. So let me define a static method like private static, and I would say my run, right? Return type I can give void, and this code I am going to write over here, right? So this implementation I have moved into this separate method. Now this method can be referred by the static method reference. So basically this method is defined in this class. So this class, you will have to write this class. After that you need to write the twice colon, and after that my run method. You can refer static method like this, and if I run it, then you will get the same output, right? So basically this is the substitution of previous lambda expression what we had written. So that's the point about first reference to a static method, right? So we can refer the method static method using class name. After that you have to specify the double colon and static method. So this is basically this is the substitution of your lambda expressions. So that's all in this video tutorial. Next video tutorial I'm going to discuss about the second point, that is saying reference to a constructor. So see you there, and thanks for watching this video.